Okay, so this video will teach you how to determine the limit through graph. Okay, as you can see here in the example, given function of x is equal to x squared minus 2x minus 1. And this is the graph of the function. Now, if we are going to determine the limit of function of x as x approaches 2 from the left with the sign negative here, that means from the left. So as x, this one is the x-axis, approaches 2 from the left. So from here, as x approaches 2, okay, is here. This point here. This is this point is 2, negative 1, right? 2 and negative 1. Therefore, the limit of function of x as x approaches 2 from the left is equal to, okay, is equal to negative 1. Okay. Now, letter B, the limit of function of x, okay, as x approaches 2 from the right. The positive sign here means from the right. So, from the right, as x approaches 2. Okay, that's the same. The limit is negative 1. So, we have still negative 1. Next, the limit of the function of x as x approaches 2. So when we say as x approaches 2, that is either from the left and from the right, the answer is still negative 1. How about the second graph? Here on the second graph, given the graph below, determine the following. So the limit of g of x as x approaches negative 2 from the left. So as x approaches negative 2, this one is the negative 2 sign here. This is this line, okay, is x is equal to negative 2. So as x approaches negative 2 from the left, so we'll start here from the left. Okay, so from the left as x approaches negative 2, so we have positive, okay, the answer is positive infinity. How will I draw infinity? Okay, positive infinity. Okay, the graph will continue upward and upward and upward and upward. So that is why the limit of g of x as x approaches negative 2 from the left is positive infinity. Now, how about if the limit of g of x as x approaches negative 2 from the right? So from the right, we'll start here, then going to negative 2. This one is negative 2. Going to negative 2. So therefore, that is negative. The graph will continue up to negative infinity. Okay. Now, letter C. The limit of g of x as x approaches negative 2. So, in this case, that is either from the left or from the right. So, okay, then that one. Since the limit of both from the right or from the left do not meet, okay, so therefore, the answer here is D and, okay, D and E. What is meant by D and E? That is limit do not exist. Now, let's continue. Okay, the reason why limit do not exist, because from the left and from the right, they do not meet. So that is why the limit do not exist. The limit of g of x as x approaches 2 from the left, as x approaches 2, so This is the 0.24. So supposedly the x here is 2. Okay. Now, as x approaches 2 from the left, then the limit is positive 4. Okay. The limit is positive 4. The limit of g of x as x approaches 2 from the right. So from the right, we'll start here, then going to 2, then still the limit is 4. Okay. Now, the limit of g of x as x approaches 2, of course, that is 4. So I hope you learned something today about determining the limit using their graphs. Okay, thank you.